Time management is done using calendars. Communication is done using mails. The question is, how do we get our work done? And the correct answer is using the task folder. You may not be using it every day, but let us see the benefits of using a task folder on a regular basis. There are three types of tasks. Your own tasks, tasks or work delegated to you by others, typically using mail, and the third type is work which you want to delegate to your colleagues or subordinates. Managing your own work is simple. Just create a new task, specify the work, the deadline, and save it. All that you need to do is remember to monitor the task folder every day while planning your time. The second situation is you have got a mail from someone, but that mail is an implied task. This is easy to handle. You can convert it to a task. Right drag the mail and drop it on the task icon. Now you will see three options. Choose the Move with Attachment option, and that's it. The mail gets embedded into the newly created task. The subject line gets copied automatically. The original mail is removed from the inbox. Now all that you have to do is put a deadline, and you just converted a mail to a task. The third scenario is you want to delegate work to others. Usually, we delegate work to others by using regular mail, but this is not very effective because you have no easy way to monitor the deadlines and delays. There is of course a much better way of delegating work. Create a new task as usual, but this time click the Assign To button. Specify the name of only one person, remember only one person, and then send the task. Now what happens? A copy of that task is added to your task folder so that it's easy for you to monitor the work. The other person receives the task request with an Accept Decline button. When it is accepted, it becomes a task in that person's task folder as well. When that person marks it as complete, either partially or fully, you get a notification automatically. Your task folder is also updated. You can easily find out and classify the work delegated to each person by changing the view to By Person Responsible. You must clarify with your colleagues and subordinates that task delegation is simply a much more efficient way compared to the traditional method. It does not in any way convey a sense of superiority or subordination. Once everyone starts using it, the execution speed across your team will increase significantly.